Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get a new background for your photo only with PixArt application. So you just need to open your PixArt application on your phone. You can do this simple edit with the PixArt application, so you don't need your personal computer or tablets, only your phone. Now after that, go tap into this plus button and just pick the picture that you want to edit. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this button feature, swipe into the left side until you find a cutout, so tap on it. And the next you just need to tap person so that the AI technology will only keep the person. And if you can see that there could be several object that is not perfectly brushed it, so you just need to go tap erase just to unbrush for several area here, just to make it perfect. And then you can also do rebrush to keep the several area by go click restore, and then just go brushed into the area that you want to keep here. And perfect, you can just try for the result by go click this preview, and this is what you got. But then if you want to erase the rest area that you don't want, you can just go click into erase brush and then brush everything that you don't need on the screen. Just be careful so that you will not gonna miss every sections. Perfect. And right after you're done, you just need to tap save. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this button feature, swipe into the left side, or you can do simply with this layer, tap into this background, and that could be a background and image. And color, you can just pick what do you want to get for the background. And right after you got them, now you just need to go tap apply and download the picture. So you're done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.